Hi, my name is Kevin Joseph. I'm 13 years old and I started a GenAI class and I find it really exciting and interesting.
Hello, I'm Mohammed Turdi. I'm 15 years old. I really enjoyed this week in AI program.
Hi, my name is Adam. I enrolled in this Vjal Institute GenAI course and it was really interesting.
My name is Bulgaria and I'm 15 years old. And I've been here for 2 weeks, and over the 2 weeks, I've learned a lot about AI.
Hi, my name is Alpha, and I've been learning the AI course for over 2 weeks now. I've been learning what AI and GenAI is, and it's super useful.
My name is Mason. I am 14 years old. This week I've learned about GenAI, which helps generate photos and also music. I've also learned about LLMs like ChatGPT or Google.